How to do the blue search comment on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first thing what we would want to do is to access our TikTok application. So let's launch the TikTok application on our device. And here let's go to comment section of this particular video. So as going to click on any comment over here, you can typically see, if you do see the blue comment here as well, you can see for this video, this is from a particular show or something like that. So in this section here, you can see the different related topics. So here you can see this blue comment over here. There are going to be a lot of highlights here. So the typical thing about this blue comments here is, if someone comments a relevant keyword that people are currently searching right now, this will actually highlight the comment, which is something really awesome. But then again, it only highlights those keywords that is relevant to this video as well as currently trending right now. So if you for example, if you just tap on the video and tap on that particular blue word of comment over here, it will just take you or redirect you to a search section on your application over here. And this case, search for the specific topic, which is something really awesome. But then again, the best thing that you could do here to get that blue comment is to just make sure that you are one of the first people who are seeing this video as well as commenting a related keyword. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.